Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to use these simple materials to make a chainsaw. Let's see how I do it. We're going to use a 24-volt DC brushed motor for this build. Drill a hole and place the motor inside. Tighten the screws carefully so it won't shake or make noise when you use it, and it'll help the motor last longer. Use a small piece of PVC pipe to make the connection. Solder the power wires. Have you ever done soldering like this before? I think it's pretty fun. Add a switch to make it easier to use. Pick a good spot to drill a hole, then solder the wires and secure the switch in place. Next, we'll make the back cover and drill a hole in the center to attach the DC power jack. This will be used to connect external power to the device. Use a 5.5mm by 2.5mm DC power jack. Install the cutting blade. Be really careful at this step. If the blade slips off, it can seriously injure you or anyone nearby. And of course, don't forget the protective cover. It's essential to keep you safe while using it. And now, let's check out the result together. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and share your thoughts in the comments below.